Hello, ClickChauffeur drivers. Want to start accepting online payments from your clients? Today, I'll show you how to enable online payments using Stripe on ClickChauffeur. By enabling online payments, you can streamline transactions and provide a seamless payment experience for your clients. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. But first, you'll need an active Stripe account. This is a prerequisite. If you don't have one yet, head over to Stripe's website and create an account. Stripe is a payment processor and will process payments between the booking module of ClickChauffeur and your bank account. Whenever it's done, back to ClickChauffeur. To activate online payments, make sure you are on a computer, as this feature is not accessible via mobile. In the menu on the left, click on Settings. After that, scroll right to Payment on the right. Here, you can see the label Online Payment. Check the box to enable the feature. As you can see, I do not have a Stripe account right now, so this is inactive. You want to correct that. Click on Manage My Account. This will take you to Stripe to complete the setup process. Follow exactly the on-screen instructions on Stripe to link your account and set up online payment. This is very quick and easy to do. And that's it. Once you've completed the setup on Stripe, online payments will be enabled on ClickChauffeur, allowing your clients to pay seamlessly online. This small change can significantly improve the convenience and efficiency of your service. Remember, enabling online payments makes transactions easier for both you and your clients. So let's head to Stripe and connect your account to ClickChauffeur. Thanks for watching. Feel free to look for another tutorial that you need. Don't forget to keep your business running smoothly and your clients happy.